A commonly overlooked home maintenance item is replacing an old water filter in your refrigerator. If the indicator light is showing orange or red, then now is the time to replace it. The first step is to locate your water filter. In this refrigerator, it is located on the upper right corner inside the unit. And on this unit, it is located on the outside on the bottom front panel. Most filters can be removed by turning to unlock the filter and pulling it out. We recommend taking a picture of your filter on your smartphone to help you remember what kind of filter to purchase. Make sure your photo includes any item numbers as well as the general shape of the filter. Reinstall the old filter before you go to purchase a new one. After purchasing a new filter, simply remove the old filter and install the new one. Once the new filter is in place, be sure to reset your indicator light. Most refrigerators have instructions for resetting this located right next to the light. On this unit, you press and hold two buttons to reset the indicator. And on this one, the same button is pressed 5 times within 10 seconds. Be sure to consult your owner's manual.